cosmetics. Like stamp is in like an ink pad and a stamp, and you stamp it and then you stamp your face. Which doesn't quite make sense to me because it seems like it's a one-size-fits-all solution and this is not a one-size-fits-all world. But then I'm like, maybe it's convenient and lazy for lazy people like me. So I'm gonna try it out today. I'm gonna do an entire stamp-on look to see if any of this stuff is worth it. I kinda hope so because it could save me a lot of time. Before I stamp myself, tap like on this video and subscribe to HISSYFIT. We're gonna start at the top of my face and work our way down. Starting with my brows. I found this online. It's called, would you guess it, brow stamp. And I saw this online for a lot of places for a while. It seems to have died down a little bit. Maybe it's because it doesn't work, but I'm gonna try it. Give me the product. Got 2 stamps on the top, and then this is the powder that I'm supposed to put on my eyebrows. Unexpectedly, it's gray. I couldn't find my shade, but I didn't think a shade up would be gray. Let's do the right one first. It just looks like soot from a fireplace, but that's beauty. You're supposed to line it up, but the question is, because of the stamp in my hand, I can't see my eyebrows anymore. I pressed it in. I don't even know what to think about that. I can kind of see it. It's only gonna work if you've got like Paris Hilton 2005 eyebrows.
That's hot.
Now we will do the left side. These are not gonna be eaten. No way. Yeah, I kind of missed my eyebrow on that one. For the sake of this look, I will leave it on. Continuing. Okay, so I got this stamp-on eyeshadow from a brand called Magic Eye on Amazon, and it comes with an informational DVD on how to do it. How do I get that job? I want to be in these DVD tutorials. And it comes with a bunch. It has like 12 different eyeshadows, and one of them is called Foxy Lady, and it's like cheetah printed. That's wild. Surprise, surprise, we're gonna try Foxy Lady right now. Oh, it's stored separately on its own. Oh, it's shiny. All right, I'm pressing, it said 4 seconds. Well, judging from this, it's all still on the thing. Oh! What? Oh my God! Next side! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4! Oh! Yeah! It's funny because I think it would actually require quite a bit of skill to do this look for real because of all like the detail in there, but I think there is a time and place for this. Time being 30 years ago, place being a convention for women who really like cats. We move on, we carry on. Stamp on eyeliner. So I've seen so many videos of this, it's called the Vamp Stamp. When I see the videos, I'm like, yeah, that line is pretty crisp, but it doesn't match your eye shape. But I've seen it online a lot, so obviously I'm gonna try it out right now. Ooh, we get a little pool, little pot. It looks like it's black. Smells like really old mascara. It's a little tiny wand. This is the left side. We're gonna do the right side first. Pew! Okay, pretty solid, even layer. Bing. I didn't get enough ink on the thing. I guess I'll try it again. It kind of works. It's just not the right, it's just not really the right shape. So I guess maybe if you're super new to eyeliner and you're trying to just figure it out, you could use this as a stencil. Eventually learn to not use it anymore. I'm gonna fill in the rest. Now we do the left side because you cannot use the same side for the other side. Other side. That burned. Okay. Vamp stamp, yes or no? No. It's harder to use the stamp than it is for me to just paint it on. So, stamp, nay. We have a stamp on lip. Boom! That is glitter for your mouth called Violent Lips. Ew! Okay, can this just be a mustache? This is a much better mustache. Line it up, and then I'm using my nail to try to find where I'm supposed to cut. Oh, that kind of worked. I may have cut it a little short. Whatever, no regrets. Now we get the water on the thing, and we put it in the thing, and we press on the mouth. Oh my god! Honestly, that kind of worked out better than I thought it would. Okay, we're gonna try the lower lip now. It feels really weird. Same process. Stick it on, stick it on, stick it on, stick it on. Ew, that one didn't work as well. This is definitely a lot more trouble than it's worth. I feel bad. I think if you fill in the corners with some lipstick, like you could make this a thing if you really want to do. Last but certainly not least, stamp-on shapes. I saw this stamp at Sephora. It's made by Milk. I got the shape of a heart to represent my need for affection from strangers. I'm gonna give myself little hearts under my eyes, which is a test drive for a look I want to do in Vegas. I'm really planning this mythical trip to Vegas. Anybody want to go to Vegas? We should go to Vegas.
So down. Vegas, baby, Vegas!
Ding, ding. Ta-da! Welcome to your nightmare. I am the Joker! Well, okay, everybody. This is me with a full face of stamp-on cosmetics. And if I am not the scariest thing you've ever seen, you've seen some fucked up shit. I feel like a lot of these products are just trying to skip a step, as in all of the steps. I could have done a glitter lip and it not look like this, and I wouldn't feel so horrendous inside my soul. It's just like I saran wrapped my mouth shut, which maybe I should try sometime for my, I don't know. But try these out, see if they're for you, or don't. Leave me a comment about which one of these you think is the most ridiculous. It's probably gonna be the lips. I actually kinda like the heart stamp, and they come in other shapes, so maybe I'll actually peruse those more. I don't know, what do you think? Stamp on, stamp off. Stamp on, stamp never.